Okay, so we're at the RegenaMex clinic today. Dan's just summing up his, I think it's his fourth IV infusion. I asked him if he wouldn't mind sharing his story about, his pathology and a little bit about why he's becoming RegenaMex. So I'm going to let Dan handle it. Well, I've already introduced you, but would you mind telling everybody what your name is and where you're from?
Sure. Dan Wardy, Rockledge, Florida. My story is, to sum it up in a nutshell, in 2020, I took the antibiotic Cipro, which is a class called fluoroquinolones, and I got what they coined fluoroquinolone toxicity. What that actually does is it causes a mitochondrial malfunction where you can no longer make collagen. So it's very similar to EDS-like symptoms. I was bedbound for 6 months. I was in a wheelchair for 3 years. And I found stem cells in 2022. And each time I get a treatment, my baseline goes up a little more and so on. And that's how I found RegenaMex, just through my journey of stem cell treatments.
Have you went anywhere else prior to coming to RegenaMex for stem cell? Would you tell us about that?
Yeah, I started with BioAccelerator, and it was a good outfit, but their pricing there was no consistency. So you go there 6 months previous and it's one cost, and you want the exact same treatment 6 months later and it's another cost. So that led me to take a chance and see what else is out there, and I found RegenaMex.
Okay, so you've been coming here, I think, we're almost pushing 2025 now. So you've been coming here since 22, about 3 years.
Yeah.
Tell me, right from the beginning, how's your experience been? How's your treatment outcomes been? Shed a little light on it for the people, would you?
Yeah, every time I get stem cells, it's pretty much the identical response for me, which is 6 to 8 months of incremental improvements month over month, followed by a drop-off. But after that drop-off, my baseline is always higher. So it's like stepping up out of this. Less pain, higher function, specifically in my legs, less food sensitivities, less GI symptoms. I mean, I can't really name them all. It's so systemic. It's almost like I feel normal for about 5 to 6 months before I start thinking about my next treatment.
Okay, well, God bless the fact that you've been able to make some gains and get on with your life a little bit, Danny. Thanks for taking the time to share your story with us. Actually, one more thing I'm going to dig into a little bit. Can you just share with the nice people out there how your experience has been? How are we taking care of you when you come in here? They've been looking after you all right or what?
Yeah, very good, very good. Everything is prompt. Pick up from the airport. The condo is great if you don't want to be around people. I hear the resort's nice, but that's not my cup of tea, so I stay in the condo.
All right, well, thank you for taking the time, sharing your story with us, Dan. I appreciate it, and I'm proud to call you my friend, and I look forward to the next time I see you. So adios for now, RegenaMex.com.
Thank you.